This richly lathering, luxurious cleansing foam by Clé De Peau Beauté quickly removes impurities, leaving skin polished and radiant. Its superbly emollient texture and rich moisturizers pamper skin and create a sensation of velvety smoothness. An illuminating complex, which is a powerful moisture stabilizing ingredient, creates a radiant complexion. The cleansing foam transforms into a rich, purifying lather on contact with water and leaves your skin moisturized and supple, with no sense of tightness. Dispense the product into the palm of your hand and add a small amount of cool or lukewarm water to work into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with a gentle, balancing lotion. Clé De Peau Beauté Gentle Cleansing Foam Mousse Nettoyante Tendre Full Size 110 ml/4.2 ounce Factory Sealed. Brand new in retail box. UPC 7292383308118. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.